Europe is opening doors for skilled professionals, and Czech Republic is one of the hottest destinations right now. First, check if your skills fit the Czech Republic's high-demand professions. Research open roles before starting your application. Its specialists are in high demand. Software developers, data analysts, and cybersecurity experts top the shortage list. Healthcare jobs, such as nurses and doctors, are urgently needed. Hospitals across the country are hiring skilled medical staff. Engineering sectors, mechanical, civil, and electrical, seek qualified professionals for growing infrastructure and industrial projects. Check your eligibility, relevant qualifications, work experience, and sometimes basic knowledge of Czech or English are needed. Securing an official job offer from a Czech employer is a crucial step. Most work visas depend on this offer. Employer sponsorship is key. Your future employer must submit paperwork proving they can't fill the role locally. Eligible professionals can apply for a European Blue Card, allowing fast-track permits and easier movement across EU countries. Be ready with all necessary documents. Your job offer, qualifications, CV, and work permit application all need to be complete. After submission, wait for approval. Most skilled worker permits are processed faster if your profile matches shortage skills. Once approved, you can relocate, settle in, and begin working legally. Employers often help with initial relocation and onboarding. While not always required, basic Czech language skills will really help you integrate and succeed at work and in daily life. Exploring networking opportunities in your new city can lead to professional growth and additional career options in the Czech Republic. If you're in IE, healthcare, or engineering, Czech Republic could be your next career hub. Take the next step to unlock European opportunities.